What's up, guys? Bike check. I got a Bsd Forever frame. Odyssey Aaron Ross seat. These are Odyssey PC. They're twisted PC pedals, I'm pretty sure. Stock crank arms. United bottom bracket thing. Stolen cell bars. United Nathan Williams grips. Eastern stem. Stock stolen revolt wheel. Stolen forks? Yeah, that's what they call it. Alienation black sheep back rim. Then I got Odyssey pegs. Am I missing something? Oh yeah. Sputnik headset. And then I got Primo, the wall tires. It's kind of a lame name, but that's what they named it. But they're pretty dope. And then on to the next bike. We'll have another speaker.
What's up, guys? I got the Fit TRL1 frame. Alright, I guess I'll start off. Stock Fit stem. They suck. Pretty gay looking. I got the lime green Eastern bars. Fit grips. Colt metal bar ends. Full speed ahead. Headset standard. K-Red front tire at 1.95. Stock Fit forks. I got a Fit seat. Black label red PC pedals. Stock cranks. And I got a Alienation front rim, just plain black. And then I got a plain black Alienation rear rim, 9-tooth driver with some, I don't know what kind of tire this is, but this is 1.952. That's pretty much it.
This is my cousin's bike that I've been making for him. It's a metal contender frame. Animal crush seat. Pivotal seat. Yeah, that's what I forgot. It has profile crank arms with Odyssey PC pedals that used to be mine. Black label back rim with 9-tooth driver. And then we move up here. We got a camouflage fit stem, a Cane Creek headset, and then we got a sun rim laced to a nitrous hub in the front rim. These are Fit forks, Fit FAF tires, and then we got some shadow bars, 4-piece, and then we got some demolition grips. Pretty nice. They're actually they're cheap though at Dan's Cop. I think they were like $5. Then we got on this side profile sprocket and KMC chain that I got off Dan's Comp. It's a pretty good bike. The only thing I don't like about it is this, because it's so big. But besides that, this bike's real good. Probably gonna give it to him for his birthday, which is coming up. So yeah. Okay. See you later.